With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. A conducting ring of circular cross section with inner and outer radii A and B is made out of a material of resistivity ρ. The thickness of ring is h. It is placed coaxially in a vertical cylindrical region of a magnetic field B is equal to kRt, where k is a positive constant, r is the distance from the axis, and t is the time. If the current through the ring is I is equal to kh upon alpha p b cube minus a cube, then what is the value of alpha? This is a problem of variable magnetic field, and variable magnetic field produces induced electric field. So formula we can write line integral of E dot dl over a closed loop is equal to minus d phi by dt. So here we will get a closed loop and find this. Here we have taken a ring of radius r. Then we can say E into 2 pi r is equal to minus d phi by dt. Here phi is equal to b into a, that is kRt into pi r square. So d phi by dt will be equal to kr cube into pi. So if we put the value here, then E into 2 pi r is equal to, if we take magnitude, then this will be k into pi r cube. Pi and pi will get cancelled, 1 r will get cancelled. So here E comes out to be kr square by 2. So this is the A. And J is equal to sigma conductivity into electric field, or we can write it 1 upon resistivity into E. So for this section J we can write di by dA is equal to, putting the electric field value kr square by 2 rho. What will be the area? Say this current will be moving in circular direction, then we can say this will be the area. It's kind of a rectangle like this. Current will move. So this area will be, we have taken this to be equal to dr. This is dr and this is h. So dA will be equal to h into dr. So here di will be equal to kr square upon 2 rho into h into dr. Now for the whole current we can integrate it from A to B. Then here I will come out to be k h upon 2 rho into r cube by 3 limits A and B. So this will be, I will be equal to kh upon 2 into 3 rho b cube minus a cube. So I will be KH I will be equal to KH upon 6 rho B cube minus A cube. Then the value of alpha will be equal to 6. This will be the answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.